Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the beta profile is installed and active. Open Settings to verify. Once done, make an iCloud or Finder backup so you can roll back if needed. Make sure your iPhone is plugged in or has more than 50% battery and is on stable Wi-Fi. These conditions prevent interruptions. You'll also need your Apple ID password ready for authentication during install. Start. Go to Settings General Software Update to find the beta build. You tap Download and Install, then authenticate with your Apple ID. This initiates the transfer. While downloading, avoid switching Wi-Fi networks or closing critical apps because the file can pause or corrupt. Once downloaded, the installer verifies the package and then schedules the restart. Confirm install now or later based on your timing. After the reboot, follow on-screen setup prompts to finalize settings and privacy permissions. Make sure to monitor storage if the download stalls. Free up space when necessary. You finish by confirming the new beta version under Settings General About and by testing core apps for compatibility. If you encounter instability, try toggling settings, reinstalling affected apps, or restoring from your backup. This preserves data while reversing the beta. If the install fails repeatedly, remove and reinstall the beta profile, reboot, and reattempt. Alternatively, connect to Finder or iTunes for recovery mode restore. One key tip: keep backups current before every attempt so you can recover quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.